Today is Thursday, May 7th, and this is Tommy Media's News in 90 from a Distance. I'm Reid Neeser. The Trump administration has shelved a document created by the nation's top disease investigators that included step-by-step advice to local authorities on how and when to reopen restaurants and other public places during the still raging coronavirus outbreak. The 17-page report by a Center for Disease Control and Prevention team, titled Guidance for Implementing the Opening Up America Again framework, was researched and written to help faith leaders, business owners, educators, and state and local officials as they begin to reopen. It was supposed to be published last Friday, but agency scientists were told the guidance would never see the light of day, according to a CDC official. The official was not authorized to talk to reporters and spoke to the Associated Press on the condition of anonymity. Now the news, nearly 3.2 million laid-off workers applied for unemployment benefits last week as the business shutdowns caused by the viral outbreak deepened the worst U.S. economic catastrophe in decades. Roughly 3.5 Americans have now filed for jobless aid in the 7 weeks since COVID-19 began forcing millions of companies to close their doors and slash their workforces. In local news, Minnesotans should fish close to home to help curb the coronavirus pandemic when the walleye season opens this weekend, avoiding overnight stays and driving no further than they can go on a tank of gas, Department of Natural Resources officials said Wednesday. A surge in fishing license sales indicates that many Minnesotans are getting antsy under the state's stay-at-home order and really want to hit the lakes. DNR Fishery Chief Brad Parsons says license sales are up 40% from this point last year. Fishing and other forms of outdoor recreation are exempt from the stay-at-home order, and live bait sales are permitted, but DNA Commissioner Sarah Strawman said social distancing remains critical. For TommyMedia.com, I'm Reid Neeser.